I tried on Gordon and it did fit. One of these snow plows fits really in the place. It's not gonna come out, just you gotta pull it up and then push it down like that. There it goes. So it did fit on Gordon. This Gordon is Mattel. It will be either Mattel, Hitori, or Tomy. It fits really good. Okay, let's see. We have roughly 80 pieces right here, right? 80. So there goes Gordon. So please, if you are already subscribed and you activated the notifications bells, so that way you will see the post as soon as I get the posts for these listings. And here is a Trackmaster to Edward. I will soon test on several engines to make sure it fits. So the first post will be for 5 of these assorted snow plows, and so we got four different snow plows. Let me show you right here. I think this one fits Emily. Is this the one? Yes, this is the one that fits Emily. So we have one that fits Emily, Henry, and Gordon, and Donald, Douglas, and the Trackmaster to Edward. So I haven't tested any of other engines yet. I've been very busy doing other stuff. And these snow plows. See another Edward. I think it's Mattel. Yes, this is Mattel 2009. It fits on Mattel. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put because I have 4 different models. They might look the same, but they are not, because some of these fit on a different. See right there, the level. Maybe you see. I'm going to put this straight line. See this line right here. If you see the these little legs, they are not the same height. They are different. So they might look the same, but they are not. So we got this other one that is different on the back. This is the one that fits Emily, and I don't remember which ones, but I have a lot anyways. So the first post or listing, whatever you want to call it, will be for 5 of these snow plows, in which will include 4 different models. Let's call it part A, B, C, and another one will be added assorted. I don't know which ones, but for sure I'm going to put on the listing 4 different snow plows that will fit on different engines, and an extra one that will be 5 altogether, 5 units, 5 snow plows. So I haven't had a chance, again, I'm going to say again, I haven't had a chance to check or test on all engines because I'm very, very busy doing so many things. So anyways, please check your activate your notifications bell, so you will see as soon as I get the post listed. And remember, this is for US only. Anyways, I'll keep you updated on the next test. Probably later today or tomorrow I will try to make a video and see how many model engines these snow plows might fit or work. Either one you can trim and the bottom. Let me show you right here. You can trim on the side if you want to use for another engine, or on the top, I don't know, or maybe you can trim your model engine. Let me see right here. If that doesn't work for you, you can trim a little bit on this area, because this, for example, this one right here does not fit any of these snow plows, unless you make a little adjustment on the model engine, not on the plow, because the plow, it's not long enough on these little legs or tabs. So for example, this is what Scarloy, it might fit, I don't know. Anyways, so I will make a test. I will test all these snow plows soon on the engines, and I will let you know how satisfying. And yes, I did this in 5 hours. Amazing, eh? Well, it wasn't only me, it was with my wife. Anyways, thanks for watching. Over and out.